Geometry Crescendo, Topic 3, Compositions of Transformations, Level C. Take the next 20 seconds to read this problem to yourself and understand what it's asking you to do. Go. This problem is asking you to identify which of these statements would be true when you performed the dilation of a figure followed by a translation. So since we're talking more generally about what will always be true, a helpful strategy is to actually draw a picture to represent this scenario. So we have triangle ABC. Just go ahead and draw it out. Doesn't matter what it looks like. And it is first dilated. So I am going to dilate it about one of the points on the figure. It doesn't matter which one you dilate it by. I'm going to use a different color. Let's dilate around point B. So when I do that, points A and C will move further away from point B. I'm doing this with a dashed set of lines because this isn't my final image. This is just a step in the process. And then, after I do this dilation, I'm going to translate this figure that I have in red. So let's say I translate it to the right and down. So my image will ultimately look the same shape as the original, but the size will be different. So this is A prime, B prime, and C prime. Let's use this diagram to answer the question given the options listed. So the first question says, the first option says, is ABC congruent to A prime, B prime, C prime? Well, no, we can see that very clearly looking at our diagram. ABC is clearly smaller than A prime, B prime, C prime because a dilation has taken place. One cannot be the answer choice, which means right away I can eliminate answer choice 2. For this type of problem, I would encourage you to eliminate answer choices as you go because it will help you to save time. Next, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. That's going to be true because we know dilations create similar figures every single time they're performed. The translation doesn't change whether or not the shape is similar, the pre-image is similar to the image. So this is true. So answer choice 2 has to be true. There's no other questions, answer choices that I can eliminate here. AB is parallel to A prime, B prime. Well, let's look at what we have. AB and A prime, B prime are going to be parallel. You can see that from your drawing here. So we'll hold on to this answer choice. Is there anything I can get rid of here? Sure, I can get rid of answer choice 2, answer choice 1, because I know that 2 only is not going to be the answer. Last but not least, is A prime equal to B prime? In other words, that's saying if I drew a line segment connecting A to A prime, would it be the same length as B to B prime? The answer to that would be yes. It doesn't look like it in my diagram, but that's a limitation of a sketch that I drew. So we have to lean on what we know about transformations. We know that a translation moves all points the same distance in the same direction. So if A moved down 10 and over 5 to get to A prime, let's just say, B would have also had to move down 10 and over 5 to get to B prime. So answer choice 4 is one of the true statements. The only answer choice that has 2, 3, and 4 is answer choice 4, so this one is correct.